you ever imagined what it's like to walk out into a stadium packed full of screaming fans at an opening ceremony for the Olympic Games? I know I have. Woo! After watching the Olympics in 2012, I dreamt about wearing the colours of my country and walking out into the stadium and waving to all the fans and just soaking up the atmosphere, because it's one of the single greatest things on the planet, the Olympic opening ceremony. And fortunately for myself, I've managed to experience it myself and walk out into the Maracanã Stadium, one of the most famous stadiums in the world. And I took my GoPro with me last summer and I recorded the whole thing. If you never get the pleasure to walk out into an opening ceremony, then maybe this video will help you experience it to a certain degree.
You never see that, but you're here.
This is what that looks like. Not what that looks like.
Hi! What up, what up, what up? Okay. I'm sending greetings to all my peoples in Waterhouse, the Sugar Road. We can put ourselves all the way. You know, see with that Brazil. Up, 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 up. I'm here, green band. We got Pucci, Kemar, Andrew Dean, Lucas, Inez.
Jamaican flag up there. Woo! Yeah! Yeah, big up! Up, 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 up! Woo! Up. Woo! Oh, sorry. Where we go? Yeah. What happens? What happens? Oh, what, this? Oh, okay. Oh, yo! Yeah. Hey, man. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Very good time. See you, man. What's going on?
So you have the GoPro and
Yeah, well, I got the GoPro. Got the GoPro going. Yeah, man, it's nice, isn't it? How's it going? Yo, where's Kyrie? Take me to him now.
He already left, dude.
No.
He was.
No.
Yo, girl, hit me on that Snapchat. Added me.
For real, oh my god. All the basketballers left.
I took a
I was like,
selfie
Kyrie
with them when we
Irving,
walked
NBA
right
player.
in.
Have they all left?
We can Snapchat
Wait.
if you want.
Wait, what's this? Why have you given me this?
Oh, that's not yours.
It's yours now. It's Sam's phone. You live in his house. You can have your phone.
Yeah, exactly.
What's your flag bearer?
Shelley Ann Fraser Price. The female Usain Bolt.
Is he here?
Huh?
Is he here?
No, I didn't come.
No. We gotta get a picture.
Yeah, man. What?
You got a picture with
Not yet, whilst I'm in here, no.
Ready?
Oh man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. No problem.
All ready? 1, 2, 3.